So here's another quick addition to the advanced Loft tool. If you've seen the previous video, we made this coffee table that had sort of 3 planes, and it went from circle to circle to circle, and so it had this circular top to it. I just wanted to show you that we didn't have to have all the same shapes. So we're going to say sketch, and we already have, this is the base, and this is sort of the narrow midpoint, but this is going to be the top on the front. You can see that I have the front plane selected, and I'm going to look at it on top, and let's make an inscribed polygon. Let's escape out of that. Try that again. Yeah. Right now it's a hexagon, 6 sides. I think I'm going to leave it like that. And check mark it. And now let's look at this in isometric view. And so we've got a circle and a circle, but now a hexagon at the end. So now let's get our Loft tool. And just like before, we're going to go from one plane to the next plane. By the way, I'm not sure if it'll work like this or not. I like to have the whole circle selected. And then to the final plane, you can see that I have my hexagon selected. And this is what we got this time. Check mark that. And let's look at it. From the top. There we go. This is our table, and it's a circular bottom and a hexagonal base. So I think kind of neat.